Keep it down. You know we'll get grounded if they find out.
I will.
Thomas, stay close. The turtle's path to the marsh is flooding.
Do you think they're scared too?
Be brave, Thomas.
But the night path was blocked. Mud slid down the hill, thick and dark.
It looks like quicksand.
We'll find another way.
The brothers searched for a way around. The ridge was narrow, the night alive with strange sounds.
See? I planned that.
Good save, little brother.
The dam busted. What are Mom and Dad gonna do?
Be brave, Thomas. Focus on the turtles for now.
At last they reached the swollen stream. The turtle stopped, unsure.
We can cross here. We can find a way back to the marsh over there.
That water's moving fast.
Here, we'll make a bridge. We'll use this log. Help me. Now we just need to get the turtles across.
It's okay, friends. One step at a time.
After navigating the swollen stream, the path to the marsh was clear.
You okay, Tommy?
Yeah, nailed it. What would you do if the path disappeared? Would you find a way too? We did it, Ben!
They did it. We just showed the way.
And under the silver glow of the moon, the turtles slipped safely into the marsh.